Good morning, students, and welcome to the class. Today, we are going to read the poem Travel Plans written by Bobby Katz, who just wrote the poem in which he talked about the plannings he wished before traveling to any of the places. As we know that whenever we are having holidays or vacation, we just plan for that vacation. So, in the first stanza, he wrote that if you could go anywhere, where would you go? He just want to ask that if he could go anywhere during the holidays, where would he go? Deep in the jungle, deep in the snow. He just asked himself that deep in the jungle or deep in the snow or deep in the ocean to talk to a fish. If you could go anywhere that you could wish. Now he is asking that which places he just want to visit, he want to wish to go when he get a chance. In the second stanza he wrote that if I could go anywhere, here's what I would do. I'd pop in the pouch of a kind kangaroo. I'd travel around for as long as I please, and I would learn to say thank you in kangaroos. He just wants to visit many places and he wants to do many things. He just wants to sit in the pouch of kind kangaroo and wants to travel a lot of places till the time he just not get tired. He also want to learn to say thank you in Australian accent, and the word is kangaroos, because he know that if he is just going to enjoy the ride in the pouch of a kind kangaroo, then he had to thank that kangaroo also. And in the third stanza, he wrote that I would go through the hole of a needle like thread. I would spin like a top on the point of my head. I would skate on an ice cube. I would swim in a glass. I would ride on a grasshopper if one should pass. Now, what are his wishes? He just want to go through the hole of a needle like thread. Means he want to be very small that he can go through the hole of a needle. And secondly, he just want to spin like a top on the point of his head. He want to be spin like a top on his head only. And he want to skate on an ice cube. He want to swim in a glass. Means he want to be very small that he can do everything which is impossible after being a big man. He just wished to ride on a grasshopper. Now what he wants to do? He want to ride on a grasshopper also. These are the wishes of the poet. In the fourth stanza, the poet says that, and when I got tired of being so small, I would abracadabra myself to be tall. Now, what he is saying that after being very small, if he will get tired, he will do abracadabra, means he will do magic on himself and he will become very tall. After becoming very tall, what he wants to do? He want to, I would step over oceans, I would step over seas, I would cause a few shipwrecks if I had to sneeze. After being very tall, he just want to step over the oceans. He just want to step over the seas, and he just want to cause a few shipwrecks if he had to sneeze. Means how much big he want to be. You just can imagine by the wishes he is having. And in the last stanza, the poet is saying that I would pat on a giraffe on the top of his head. Now he wants to become that much tall that he can pat a giraffe on the top of his head. I would find out for sure if the North Pole was red. Now he wants to just get sure that the North Pole was red or not. And when I had seen all that I want to see, I hope I would know how to turn back into me. Now he is having another wish also that when he had seen all the things which he wished to be. After being very small, after being very tall, when his wishes will be fulfilled, then he just want to turn back into himself. He just want to know that how to return back into himself. So that the, by this poem Travel Plans, we learn that what the wishes the person should have. As I know that we are only having wishes to visit Switzerland, to visit Taj Mahal of Agra, to visit Mumbai. But after just reading the poem, you will come to know that which type of wishes a man could have. So, thank you. Have a nice day.